Stevie, I want to spend the rest of my life with you. From the day that I met you, it's the first time that I believed in love at first sight. But it wasn't love at first sight. It was every day that I spent with you that I grew to love you more.
Melanie, the first time I met you, I had no doubt. I knew it. And over the next 9 years, my life would be changed forever. You've met my loved ones, everyone who's here today, and you made them important to you. Melanie, you are what makes me smile, what makes me laugh, and what makes me excited for the future.
Stevie, I'm so grateful for the laughter and smiles that you bring every day. You have brought me a life that is so full. A father who teaches me how to cook and play sports. A role that I never thought I missed so much growing up. A mother that is kind and love unconditional. The fun and cool brothers that I always want to hang out with. And a sister. A term I never thought I'd get to say again.
From this day on, you will never have to question my love for you. I promise to love and to always try to understand, to be there for you and support you through the ups and downs.
You have given me so much, Stevie. I vow to give this marriage my all, to stay by your side. Together, we can accomplish anything. And I'm so honored to start this new chapter in our lives as your wife.